Located just 1 block from La Paz famous Malecon, Casa Cumbre is a house that combines Mexican charm with modern elegance, offering both privacy and, most important, the perfect location. This rustic beauty welcomes you with handcrafted details, warm textures, and a design that truly embraces the essence of Mexico living. A perfect blend of tradition and modern style, high ceilings, wooden beams, and cutting-edge touches create a space that feels both sophisticated and inviting. Featuring 2 spacious bedrooms, each with its own full bathroom, plus an additional half bath for guests, this home offers both comfort and convenience. The kitchen sits right next to the living room in an open concept layout, creating a seamless flow for cooking, entertaining, and relaxing. At the heart of this home is the patio, a stunning open-air space that connects all living areas, filling the home with natural light and fresh air for a perfect indoor-outdoor lifestyle. A private pool and jacuzzi, surrounded by lush greenery, create the ultimate retreat to unwind and enjoy the beauty of southern Baja. And last but not least, a fully enclosed 2-car garage provides both security and convenience. Reminder for everyone, opportunities like this don't come very often. This is a rare find where privacy, elegance, and modern living come together in a prime location. Don't miss your chance to own this extraordinary home. Contact me today to schedule a private tour. My name is Ivan Urias, licensed real estate advisor in the city of La Paz, Baja California Sur. If you're looking to buy or sell real estate in this beautiful part of Mexico, don't hesitate to reach out. I will be happy to assist.